A tablescape representing a midsummer's night dream. I've got just the thing. Keep watching. In this video, I am showing you a tablescape to represent the Bard's play A Midsummer's Night Dream. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, subscribe. I do videos about those topics all the time. And hit that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will list all of my favorite gardening and housekeeping solutions. Okay, so let's jump into it. In this particular tablescape, we have an unseen visitor. In case you're not familiar with the play, we've got Puck, also known as Robin Goodfellow, who is a mischievous fairy who's been creating havoc in the lives of several people. One of the people is a queen who he makes to fall in love with a laborer who has the head of a donkey, and the other is a couple that is to be married. So this unseen figure is pulling the strings and causing all kinds of problems. So now let's take a look at the tablescape so you can see what I mean. Now please note the table is set for 3. Here are the 2 lovers, and over here is Puck, the unseen visitor that is pulling all the strings. So here in the center you see this lantern with the green fairy lights, and inside the lantern is a flower that's a deep burgundy that's just kind of touched in green. And then all around the lantern you see these large, I believe they're peonies, and again they're like a deep blood red with again some reds and greens and just more greens right there. Now let's take a look at the place setting. Here's the place setting for Puck, and notice the large silvery floral napkin ring. And the silver color just lets you know it's a little bit different from the 2 invited guests. This uninvited guest definitely wants to make his presence known. And then of course we have these ivory napkins with a little bit of silver bling on them. And then take a look at the plates. Kind of a deep gray, but look at how ornate the pattern is. And then the scalloped edges are just absolutely gorgeous. Now with the dinner plate, you don't see all the intricate detail in the center, but it is carried through around the edge of the plate. And then there you go with the luncheon plate and the napkin ring. And then over here you have large, heavy water glasses that would simulate the heavy glasses they might have used in Shakespearean times. And then you've got this large goblet for wine. Again, heavy to simulate the kind of goblets or stemware they might have had during that time period. And then note that the goblet's a deep red to pick up the deep red in the floral. And then you've got this kind of a deep clear gray to complement the plates. Now here's the place setting for the lovers, and so you see this really deep dark kind of a burgundy floral napkin ring with the same luncheon plate, and again there's that dinner plate. I want to take this opportunity to thank Kenya at Kenya's Decor Corner and Diana at She Leaves a Little Sparkle for hosting this challenge. I tell you what, they really set the bar high when they hosted a Midsummer's Night Dream Tablescape challenge. You know, you couldn't do the usual romantic tablescape. Being the play that it was, it had to be something just a little bit avant-garde, and you really had to put your thinking cap on. So I think I managed to meet the spirit of the challenge, and if not, I'm sure you'll let me know. But I think I was able to work it out. Now, I'm going to link Kenya's channel and Diana's channel below so that you can check them out. They both do some amazing work on their channels, and you'll want to see what they do. And then also, check out the playlist. I'll link it below when it's available. Show the creators some love by watching all of their videos, and of course, subscribing to Kenya, Diana, and all of the other members that created something in the playlist, and leave them a comment. It is just so important when we create a video in a challenge to have someone not only watch it, but to leave us a comment. That is just so much appreciated. So now here's my question for you. What part of this challenge, this tablescape, did you find most interesting? Tell me about it in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and planning and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.